I have always admired the beauty of Wodaabe women, and I always wonder what do they use on their hair. Wodaabe, also known as the Mbororo, are nomadic herders who live in the Sahel region of Africa. In this video, I am taking you with me to Chad to meet this beautiful tribe. Beauty is very important in their culture. They love wearing colorful clothes and jewelry. They pay particular attention to their dental hygiene and their hairstyles. Women apply butter on their hair that they make themselves from fermented milk. The fermented milk is then transformed into butter. This butter, which they call nei butter, is applied to the hair every 3 days. It is washed out with soap every 3 weeks. Some women apply the fresh butter directly to their hair, others cook the butter to keep it longer, and others mix it with grilled and ground shebe. Meeting this tribe has been quite humbling and quite exciting.